And when you talk about like cross-referencing dashboards, and the idea here is you define that metric once, it already pops up here in this automated dashboard. We have the ability to generate custom dashboards where you can arrange things differently, but it's still going to reference the same metric definition. It's not like you're creating it from whole cloth, a different metric that you then have to compare and wonder why it's not the same. And then a couple of other features around that as well. One thing, I love this. You can do this in Tableau. So of course we had to do it as well. Like you can copy a link that will drop you right into this configuration. So like by day with signups in the US, that's huge because a lot of times as an analyst, one of my pet peeves is someone will be like, oh, make me a new dashboard with all these different configurations. And I'll say, well, we have an existing dashboard. And if you just click on these filters, you'll get what you want. I'm not going to make a new one and have to manage that as an additional piece of content. The good news is I can just copy this link for you, put it in your bookmarks, do whatever you want with it. But now you have, it's the same dashboard, but you can go right to what you actually want to see every time.
So that's very interesting. So you have the system is saving versions based on my queries or descriptions that I'm typing in as well.
Yeah, well, there's a couple of a distinction there. The share link is just popping in a URL parameter. So if you actually follow this link, there's a whole encoded bit here that then gets parsed when you load the page. But you can also save it as a bookmark, which is a nice feature. So obviously, like if you were on the sales team and you had like a specific that you really like to look at, you don't want to have to paste that link into your bookmarks or a document somewhere. You can actually save a bookmark, and then we have this feature called My Dashboard where the bookmarks will pop up.
I think there's a lot of benefits here. So the one is to set it up. That boring thing is saving you a ton of time.
I think it's boring in the context of the demo. This is an analyst workflow, right?
Exactly.
Just very distilled.
Yeah, there's a process to set up these things. And anyone who was in the metric space or was ever trying to assemble something that was a definition knows how difficult it is to have these iterations with the leaders and the teams. Everyone has their own idea, how to set it up.